Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am exploring the Ghats of the Ganges. I hope you all like this video. I would highly recommend, if you are an Indian or even not even an Indian, once in a lifetime, you must come here and explore this boat ride where they take you to the all Ghats of Ganga, basically the main Ghats. There are total of 84 small and big Ghats in the river Ganges, but they would take you to the main Ghats like Assi Ghat, Dashashwamedh Ghat, Manikarnika Ghat, where the cremation of bodies happen. There is another Ghat where our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has come and taken the path, which is called Lalita Ghat. I hope you would have already seen in many of the videos, but this is like one of the greatest of ever experience which I had in my life. I think I must show this in this video so that at least someone of you think, if you think that okay, you also want to go, it's all possible. Even if it is crowded, even if you think it's not possible to reach over there, I am telling you, there should be just a passion to explore. You definitely can go and explore and come back. See these lovely birds you see on the water. A lot of them shows you the peaceful experience what you can have. So I would highly recommend, do come, explore the boat ride through the Ganges and explore the Ghats. The beautiful river, the boats and the camels on the white sand, you just feel so mesmerized the beauty what you can witness within our India. See how beautiful the camel looks, and there are some camel rides also which I have not gone. And from the Dashashwamedh Ghat, the view you get, because it's Kashi Vishwanath temple, so you might have heard the corridors of Kashi Vishwanath, so where you can stand and explore the view of the Ganga. So you must come. Please don't delay it. It's just a scenic experience which you are going to cherish lifetime. I hope this video you all would like it. I will definitely see you soon in another video. Bye for now and